Hello everyone, welcome back to Global Studio YouTube channel. Today we will learn one of the very interesting trick in Microsoft Word. Have you ever tried to insert an emoji in Word? No, right? Because most of us are using Word to create tables, reports, etc. But it is also possible to add an emoji directly into Word. So we will learn this interesting trick in this video and explore plenty of emojis and different methods to add them. So without any delay, let's jump in. Basically, emoji is already inside your Microsoft Word. To load this, go to font and type Segoe UI Emoji. Select the font and change the font size to 72 or higher for clear visibility. Now to add an emoji, we need to use some codes, and the codes we can find it here in this website. I have already given this website link in the description. You can bookmark this link for future references. Copy one of the code from this website and paste it in Word and then press Alt+X. As you can see, the code is converted into an emoji. Find the emoji you want to use from the website. Plenty of options are available for our use. Now this is one method. The second method is direct copy paste from the website. Go to this website and copy the emoji and directly paste it in the Word. Simple and straightforward. You can bookmark this website or you can find the website link in my video description. That's it. Also, please let me know what is the best method to add an emoji in Microsoft Word. Let me know in the comment section. And with this, we have reached the end of the video. Thank you for watching and let's meet in the next video. Until then, bye bye.